There's too many mugs. And it's kind of messy. And when you need to get a mug, normally this is full of dirty dishes. You open it up, claps them off the side, falls off. So my idea, one day build, make something that can mount from up there and hang down. Hopefully hold maybe 10-15 mugs, maybe all of them if I can do it, or at least the most frequently used ones. Maybe one line, maybe two. Don't know. Let's go see what supplies I got. I might have to use some garbage. You got a construction cone, some cardboard, plastic bucket. Ooh. Shit, that might work. That's a maybe. I don't know whose it is. Might have to ask permission to use that first. Let's see what else we got. Got an old bike. An old glass table that's been here forever. Got some tires, pressure washer. I don't want to use wood. That's too... Oh shit, what's this? It's a snail. Anything through here? Our supplies are looking a little scarce. Anything under here? So, I got no materials except this shit. Raw 3D printing material. I might just have to 3D print the whole thing. Unless... I've decided to 3D print the entire thing because I don't have access to any sticks and timber and like a wooden dowel or something. The longest I can print is 22, so if I print 3 of those, it'll give me 66 centimeters, which is more than half a meter, so that'll be like 1.5 feet, a little more than 1.5 feet. That'll be enough to hang some mugs off of, at least a few. Right, you know what, I'm just gonna start the design. I just remembered I gotta go measure what, 28 by 41. Gotta check on my beef jerky. Oh, you can barely see it. There's no light. So I can either hang them from the handles like that, resting against the wall, or I think this through a little bit. Oh shit, my beef jerky's done. I could probably use a little bit longer. That's pretty good. Flavor is actually not bad at all. I was expecting it to be like way too soy sauce. This isn't a fucking beef jerky review. Let's get back to it. Or if the... Oh, what the fuck? What did I just do? How did I fuck that up so bad? Oh my god. I have to put them in the middle. Okay. One moment. I fixed it. I don't know what happened. And we got our removable one. Perfect. Not as strong as it was before, but it's still good. We can duplicate this as many times as needed, downwards. And then we got a perfect mug holder. Shit. We got our 3D printed 2 top ones and a bunch of repeating pattern ones for the bottom. and then they should hold together just like that. So I gotta go install it now.
I did this. Get me the photo. I did